This is at some building. We're at some building in Bowery, and we come across this interesting little thing. Go to 6. Here we are at 6. Definitely relay controlled. Get out of the basement. Here we are at the basement. Forward trip to 6. It's an Empire elevator. Very strange capacity of 1,520 pounds. Nothing too fancy about this one at all. Despite this thing labeled as a freight elevator, definitely doesn't have the capacity of one. Here at 6. And somebody called it at 3. This is non-selective. Selected, not collected, because there's only a single call button for every floor. There's no intermediate call stations that you can see up into the machine room up there. There it goes, and